Yeah, yeah, he's just... We should have brought more. I think we should have brought more dog. Hart chainsaw. It's got a fresh battery. We want to test the power and runtime. We got some pretty serious tests. It's quite quiet.
I think it... Walmart battery-powered chainsaw, 1 year later. We've been using it to gather up a bit of firewood, and it's still intact. Still works. Battery life absolutely sucks. Exactly the same way it did as when it was brand new. And it's not falling apart. It's all plastic, made by little Chinese kids, but it still works. In our initial impressions video, many people commented that we weren't using the saw correctly because it's not for cutting up actual trees, it's just for pruning trees. So I got some footage of my son pruning a tree with it. We didn't want to crush our chain link fence, so we brought it down limb by limb.
I don't know. You think it'll break the ladder?
Cut firewood lengths.
It'll take a while. It dented it.
The ladder?
Yeah.
Serious?
Second rung.
Eventually the battery ran out, so we just pulled the rest of it down with a vehicle. We left the stump and put up some bird feeders. There's a little chipmunk right there. The chipmunk feeding didn't work. We decided to do a continuous runtime to battery failure test. Let's see how that went. Okay, time to battery failure test.
All right.
Go. Oh, here. About 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Well, there you go. So, if you got 3 minutes and 40 seconds worth of work to do, and the chain could have been sharper, so we could have gotten a lot more done if we had a properly sharpened chain. This is the saw for you.